You can see that one isn't working. That one is, and look how dim that is. That's not gonna light up the license plate for the law. It'll cause them to stop me because I don't have enough illumination on my license plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that today. How about these little guys? These are LEDs, and they simply just plug in where the old ones were, and the shape is the same. So we're gonna have to go underneath the backside and unclip this dude. Well, actually, don't even have to do that. Look at that. Maybe this is easier than I think it is. Don't have any tools. Okay, all we do is loosen the bulb, and that's burnt out. Should just pull straight out, and it does. So you can see the new plugs right in to where the bulb plugs in. And I don't know if this is directional or not, meaning do I put it in this way or do I put it in this way? So we'll go and plug it in and see which way it works. So, okay, and we'll just leave that out for now. Wow, look how bright that is compared to what it was before. And there, that one's working too. So we'll just secure that dude back in. So that one's in, and you will have to tuck that wiring back into the hole, into the light housing. Turn and secure the bulb. There we go. Works great. So there's another easy one that you can do on your own. Brighten up that license plate so you don't get stopped by the law because your light's too dim or it's not working. I'll have a product link for these LED license plate lights in the description box, and I am an Amazon affiliate, so obviously I earn a little bitty commission if you decide to purchase this through my link. So thank you for your support.